Picture this. You're over 60, sipping a delicious homemade drink, and your skin's glowing, your energy's up, and your muscles feel stronger, without a single pricey pill or powder. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Stick with me because I'm spilling the secrets to 3 natural drinks that'll have you ditching collagen, protein powders, and multivitamins for good. And trust me, you'll want to hear the surprising science behind them. Hey there, welcome to our health channel, where we share practical tips to help you age with strength and confidence. Today I'm sharing 3 easy drinks that deliver the nutrients your body craves, naturally. No expensive supplements, no synthetic pills, just wholesome ingredients. If you love simple health hacks, consider subscribing. It'd mean the world to our little community. Let's start with a vibrant juice that's like a hug for your skin. Your body needs vitamin C to make collagen, the stuff that keeps your skin firm and youthful. And here's the thing, amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a vitamin C superstar. A single amla packs more of it than 20 oranges. A 2016 study in the International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research found amla has 600 to 700 milligrams of vitamin C per fruit, boosting skin regeneration and fighting wrinkles. But amla's tangy, so we're pairing it with beetroot and carrots for a tasty, skin-loving trio. Beets are loaded with betalains, anti-inflammatory compounds that improve blood flow to your skin, giving you that healthy glow. A 2015 study in nutrition and metabolism showed beet juice enhances circulation, delivering oxygen to skin cells. Carrots? They bring beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A for elasticity. A 2012 dermatoendocrinology study linked carotenoid-rich veggies like carrots to better skin tone and collagen density. Here's how to make it. Grab 2 medium carrots, red ones if you can find them, half a beetroot, 1 amla, or a teaspoon of amla powder, and a splash of water. Blend until smooth, strain if you like it silky, and add a pinch of jaggery for sweetness. Sip this in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast, to kickstart nutrient absorption. After a month, you might notice smoother skin, better digestion, or even sharper eyesight. My neighbor Susan, 67, swears this juice gave her a morning energy boost she hadn't felt in years. Next up, a creamy smoothie that's a natural multivitamin in a glass. Forget those pricey pills. Up to 80% of their nutrients can just, well, flush away. A 2013 Annals of Internal Medicine study found no clear link between multivitamins and longer life, and some brands use questionable ingredients. Why risk it when whole foods work better? This smoothie's packed with 5 superfoods, 4 almonds, 6 cashews, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 pitted dates, and a ripe banana. Soak the nuts and seeds overnight. Blend with the dates, their soaking water, and the banana for a rich, milk-free shake. Almonds deliver vitamin E for heart health, cashews offer magnesium, and pumpkin seeds bring zinc and iron. A 2019 nutrient study praised tree nuts for reducing inflammation, while a 2021 Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition review highlighted bananas for gut health. Drink this as breakfast or a mid-morning snack. It's filling, fights sugar cravings, and supports everything from your hair to your heart. My Uncle Tom, 72, started this smoothie habit and says his afternoon slumps are gone. Plus, it tastes like a treat, no artificial junk needed. Last, let's talk protein. You don't need fancy powders to stay strong. Chana sattu, a roasted chickpea powder, has been fueling Indian wrestlers for centuries. 2 tablespoons give you 10 grams of protein, plus fiber, calcium, and iron. A food science and nutrition study noted roasted pulses like sattu stabilize blood sugar and keep you full. Mix 50 grams of sattu with a cup of water. For sweet, add a teaspoon of jaggery. For savory, toss in rock salt, cumin, and a squeeze of lemon. Drink it mid-morning or afternoon to curb snack cravings. It's dirt cheap compared to protein bars and way gentler on your gut. Worried about plant protein? Pair sattu with rice or roti over the day, and you're covered for amino acids. These drinks, amla beet carrot juice, nut seed smoothie, and chana sattu, are simple, affordable ways to nourish your body. Whether you want glowing skin, steady energy, or stronger muscles, nature's got you covered. Try one for a week and see how you feel. Have you tried these before? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear your story. If this helped, give it a like and share it with a friend. Here's to aging with vitality, one sip at a time.